Hello viewers, welcome to Rahul Dhruv's Art. In this video, I am going to tell you how I made a house for my chicks. Take a piece of cardboard and make a square of 30 cm on it and draw a triangle at the top of the square so that it looks like a house wall. Now cut two another pieces of 30 cm square. Take a new carton and cut two long pieces from it. Now stick all the pieces together. Then draw a door and cut it down. At another side of wall, draw a circle and cut that down. Then take Fevicol plus water in equal amount and mix it well. Take a paper and cut it into smaller pieces. After that, start pasting all the corners of the house so that it gets a bit stronger. Then cut a piece of cardboard for its base. Stick that at the bottom and do pasting at the corners of it too. Now take those two long pieces of cardboard and stick them at the top as roof. And cut a 7 cm square shape at the same cardboard piece. On the other side, with a new cardboard piece, I am cutting a rectangular shape of 40 into 7 cm of length and breadth respectively and stick them together. After that, stick it at the top of the house as chimney. Now cut long strips of cardboard and cut it into smaller pieces as shown in the video. Then stick it on the roof one by one in such a way that it looks like roof tile. Do the same on the other side. Now take a long piece of cardboard and remove the upper layer of it by applying water on it. Now make a straight line using scale and scissor, which helps to fold it by half and stick it on the rooftop. Now take the piece we get from cutting the door and trace it on another cardboard. And make straight lines on it and cut them down. Then stick them on the door. Our house is finally completed and now it is the time to color it. Here I am taking a long strip of cardboard and roll it. Now I am cutting a round piece of cardboard. Stick it on the rolled cardboard and then on the door. I am coloring the roof using brown oil paint and color the walls using any of the color whatever you want. I am coloring it light purple. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Now color the chimney with yellow color. And then I am applying the gold color using a piece of foam on the door and roof and keep it for drying. Now I am drawing window on the wall. And brick design on chimney. After drying, I am sticking the door with the help of a tape. And sticking a thick thread at the side of the door with hot glue, by which we can close the door. Now keep a newspaper inside the house with some dry grasses and put chicks inside that. I am using chimney to light inside up using a bulb. I hope you guys liked it and also might be trying it by your own.